welcome back to my channel. Here now we are going to work on the construction of an isometric cylinder on the left face of an object, so let's start and see how that can be done. So we come to this point here and we draw a short horizontal line here like this, and then so with the set square being set here, so draw a vertical line from this line up like this. Okay, then turn the set square in this direction. Okay, from this point where we draw the vertical line, so draw a line in this direction like this, and then so we come here and we take a measurement from this point here, take a measurement of 50 millimeters like this, and get the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Then turn to this side here, take a measurement of 50 millimeters. So this is 50. Get the midpoint. So why are we taking 50? Because the diameter of the circular base or circular part of the cylinder is 50 millimeters. So we have to construct a square of length 50 millimeters. So whenever you have to construct an isometric circle on an isometric object, you have to make the length of the square to be equal to the diameter of the circle. Okay, so now, so having done what we have just done, so let's draw a line from this midpoint here. So draw a line in this direction, and then you come to this point, so you draw a line. So from this point here, so draw a line in this direction. Then so with the set square being set vertical like this from this midpoint here, so draw a vertical line to touch this line, and you come to this point also, so draw a line from this point to touch the line here. Alright, so we have these points. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is to label the point here. So this is point A. Okay, so this point is point B. Okay, so this is point B here, and we have this point to be point C, and this is point D here, and then so this point is point E, so this is F, so this point is point G, and this point is point H. Okay, then the next thing that we are going to do is that we join the longest corners together. So the longest corners, join them together, that is corner A and corner B. Join the longest corners together with a straight line, so it goes like this. So it goes like this. So join the longest corners, so it goes like this. Okay, so then the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we are making half for this part. So on the front face, the cylinder is going in this direction. So on this part, so we only need half of the whole circle. Then on the front face, we have the whole circle drawn. So this is what I'm saying. So for this now, you join this point B, join point B with point E, join point B with point E, so like this, and then join point B with point H on the square, so it goes like this. Alright, so having done this, next thing that we are going to do is that put the midpoint of the compass here at this point here. So we have the four centers. So this is center 1, and this is center 2. So here is center 3, okay, and this is center 4 here. Okay, so put the midpoint here as center 1. Let's start with center 1. So put the midpoint as center 1. Extend the pen point to point B. Okay, so draw from this point B here to touch the line. Alright, so we set again. So we draw from here. I need to be very careful. So it sometimes happens like this. So let's be careful. So we draw from here to touch the line. So there is it. Alright, I touch the line. So then we put at this point here, center 2, extend to point F, and then so you draw. So draw from F to touch the line like this. Touch the line. So very careful with it. So this is it. And then so now put at center 4 here. We are making use of center 4. So extend it to point F here and draw. So it goes like this. So touching this arc here. So when it happens like this, so what will I do? Am I going to start again? No. So I can just use my French curve to blend them together. So it goes like this. So there is nothing wrong about this. So we have drawn the half. So it is this half that we see on the back face. Now let's go to the front face where we are going to construct the whole circle. So what you have to do is that come to this center here, to this midpoint. Okay, come to this midpoint here, and then you draw a line from this center. So draw a line from this center forward. On this line, so the height of the cylinder is 50 millimeters. So we take 50 millimeters from this center. So this is 50 millimeters here. Now, having taken that measurement, so come to this point and draw a vertical line. Here you draw a vertical line like this. Okay. Then you turn the set square this way. Turn the set square this way and draw this line like this. Okay, so on this line, on the vertical line from the center here, where the two lines meet, so take a measurement of 25 millimeters down and you take 25 millimeters up. Okay, making 50. Then you set here on this center, take 25 to the left side and take 25 to the right side. Okay, so we convert this to a square. Convert this to a square. So and it goes like this. So draw a vertical line here like this. Come to this point here. So draw a vertical line here like this. And then to turn it to this side, here you draw a vertical line. So from here to here. Okay. Then we come to this point here. So we draw a line in this direction like this. Alright, so we have this square. So the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we have this point here as point, so we take this point as point A. So this is point B here. So this is point C and this is point G. Okay, so we have this point as point E. So this is point F. This is point G and this is point H here. Alright, so we connect the longest corners together, so as usual. So connect the longest corners together, so it goes like this. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is that, so this point B, we connect point B and H together. Connect B and H together, so this is it. Then connect B and E together. Connect B and E together like this. And then we connect point D and G together. Connect D and G together like this. And then we connect point D and F together. Connect D, F together with a straight line like this. Alright, so now having done this, so we have four centers. So this is center 1 and this is center 2. And then here we have this to be center 3. Okay. And this is center 4. So we have these four centers here. So the next thing that we are going to do, we take the compass. We have to take it easy so that we not should not happen as we have it here. So then extend, that is center 1, extend to point G, and then we turn it. We are going to draw the whole arc here from G to H. So we have this. So we have it like this. And then so we bring it to center 2 here. Center 2. Then we take it from this point F to point E here, like this. Okay. Then we put at center 3. So this is center 3. So put it at this point here at center 3. So extend to this point E here. So this is point E. Then so this is point E. So we need to adjust it. So you turn it like this. So okay. So we turn like this. Okay, I need to work on that. So then we put our center 4 here. So extend it to this point and we draw an arc like this to touch this point. Okay, so we have the circle drawn. So I need to blend this together. So are we going to start again? No. If you have something like this, you don't have to start again. So just work it out with the use of French curve. So the circle is already there. So now we are connecting this point here on the longest line, on the longest diagonal at this point and this point. We are connecting them together, and we are connect this point and this point. We connect them together with a straight line. This is what I'm saying. So just draw a line from here to here like this. then so we connect from here to here. So all those errors that happen is as a result of the compass that I'm using. Okay, so this is the isometric cylinder on the left face of an isometric block, an isometric object. It's as simple as I've done it here. So let's meet on a video for that of the right face of an isometric object. Thank you.